Guys, it's me, Brian. Today, I'm actually going to go and review another Jurassic World toy that is in this Amazon box. Now, I've actually done one video about reviewing a dinosaur toy in an Amazon box. So, probably this is the second time. Alright. Always use adult supervision, unless you're really careful like I am. I know you have a child. You don't want to get your child cut, but you know, I can do it as long as I do not put my finger way too close to this serrated blade. I meant what is this? A scissor, of course. Okay, we'll cut off the edges. Put this box here. It says Amazon Prime here. Alright, I'm gonna go rip open the box and let's go and take whatever's in here. So, in here is the new, okay, I got some wrappers. You have to do popping things, this package. I have the new Jurassic World Dino Trackers Nigersaurs. That's right, I have the nigersaurs here on my hands. It's a Jurassic World Dino Trackers Wild Roar. Forest. It's a forest one. Here are all of them. But here's the, it's like the side neck movement, makes sounds, and these are the ones you can get. So there's Irritator, Oviraptor, and Regaloceratops. You can scan it to the app. Alright, without further ado, let's go and get this thing out of here. Now, I also know that the tail is detached to the dinosaur. There it is. The tail is in the box. So to take out the tail, it's like right here. It is kind of difficult, but it's easy for me to get it out of the package. Now, here's the tail. It's really nice. The texture looks awesome. Go in. Click it. Yep, the click happened. So let's check out the texture. It has bumps, which is actually kind of interesting. And it has a pretty long neck. I like the shade of green, like jungle green colors, and like this lime color. It's mainly just that color. That's like 90% or 95%. The color is just lime green or normal green. The rest of that 5% would be its eye and the scan code, which is right here. There's the scan code. The scan code is right here. You can scan it. Articulation. Tail, of course, starting with the tail, looks really cool. You need to make it like that. The legs move. It looks awesome. You can actually go like that. I always like that the bigger Jurassic World toys have these separating legs, like most of them. I guess some of the smaller ones do have this. Okay, these front legs have this movement. I mean, I like this texture, and there's a sound. And so, if you turn it to the left or right, it makes noises. Oh, it looks cool. That sound right there, that sounds like when you make the sounds of the Chronosaurus, the Wild World Chronosaurus made that sound. And this is kind of reused, but I'm fine with it. Oh, that sounds like a Brachiosaurus. Man, that's crazy. Oh gosh. I like it, like, see to the neck, like, goes like this. And it goes, like, higher. Yeah, looks awesome. My favorite part about this is this neck. And the bumps. And, of course, it's like it's eating a tree or something like that. And also, I think... Do you think this is a sauropod or a hadrosaur? Because Yeah, so the long neck looks like a sauropod, right? But it might look like a hadrosaur. But I think it's a sauropod more than a hadrosaur. Let me know you think this is a sauropod or a hadrosaur. Also, I'm also going to tell you that one of the videos, the video before this, or probably after, I'm not sure, before this, I was going to say, after I had 200 subscribers, I would tell you what the next goal is from that last video. So, the next goal is 500 subscribers. Yeah, no kidding. I'm real serious this time. 500 subscribers. Yeah, that will be a big challenge. But I hope you can do it. So, like and subscribe. And I'm getting close to 500. I'm not really close to 500 subscribers, but we'll get there later on. Bye. Thanks you for watching. See you next time.